Hello, how are you? I am back again, and today I thought I'd do a super quick video to let you know about a brand new QVC Liz Earle set, which has just gone live. It's only available for a few days, so I really urge you to look at it as soon as possible because it's honestly incredible. Plus, there are loads of different fragrances to choose from, so if you don't like the one I have, then there might be another one which you like better. It is a 7-piece set which is split into 2 boxes, so you can either make it one huge Christmas gift for somebody, or you could split it into 2 Christmas gifts, or you could have one for yourself and give one to a friend. So let me tell you exactly what you get. So you get 7 pieces, it's £60.96, and first up we get not one but 2 tubes of their iconic Cleanse and Polish cleanser. We all know this, we all love it, it's absolutely incredible. We've got the original and then we've got a limited edition scent. I have it in the Iris and Nutmeg, which by the way smells incredible, and both bottles come with one of their hot cloth cleansing wipes as well, so you've got a spare 1 or 2 of those to add to your little collection, because I don't know about you, but I have plenty of these at home and I always need more. And then also for the skin, we have the Instant Boost Skin Tonic. This is an incredible toner, and it's one of the few toners which I can use day in, day out, because I have very dry, sensitive and irritable skin, and I find this absolutely incredible. It's very calming, very soothing, but it also kind of brightens and refreshes. It's really lovely. So I absolutely love this, and this is again 200 mils. These are also 200 mils. You get really generous sized bottles in this set. And then we have the Liz Earle Skin Repair Face Cream. I have it in the light version, which I do like for the summer, but in the winter I do like the richer version. So just pick out whichever one that you like in the different sets available. And this is a nice, generous 50 ml tube as well. And now we have loads of body care to choose from as well. So this is all in the limited edition scent, but again, if you don't like this scent, you can choose one of the others. There's honestly so many to choose from. So I have the Iris and Nutmeg, which I think is new. It smells so pretty. And as well as all the skincare, you will get the hand cream. And this is a 50 ml tube, which is such a cute stocking filler. Then we have the Botanical Body Cream, which is again 200 mils, nice and generous. I love this stuff. It's so rich and good. It's incredible. And then we have the Botanical Body Wash, which I think you can use in the bath or the shower. Personally, I like to mix it up, you know, sometimes I just like to steep in it, not just use it in the shower, I like to use it in the bath as well. Also, it's really gentle and kind to skin, so it's one of the few brands that I will use in my toddler's bath as well. So I just feel like it's good for her skin as well as mine. But that is basically the entire set. It's 7 pieces of Liz Earle skin and body care, literally incredible. It's £60.90, and I think, if I remember rightly, the cleanse and polish alone is like not cheap. I will check the price of these, but these are not cheap, and I think it's around a 60% discount on all of it. I think it's absolutely incredible. It is the perfect time to stock up on Liz Earle products. And again, you can split it into multiple gifts, or you could just keep it for yourself. Personally, I am going to keep all of these for myself. My bathroom is going to be bursting full of Liz Earle, and I could not be happier about it. Anyway, that's the deal. I will link it below. Enjoy your evening. Goodbye.